What's up, guys? Auto Fanatics. So this is going to be a very specific video for anybody that owns the Alfa Romeo Giulia Quadrifoglio. If you guys know, this thing sucks in leaves in the fall if you live in the Northeast or an area where we have fall. And the issue is I'm going to wash the car. I actually plan on washing the car now, but what ends up happening when you start shooting that with the pressure washer, it just makes it worse and it lodges them in there deeper. So we're going to use the Bauer shop vac with this attachment. We might actually take this off, and I'm going to show you guys quick on how to get the leaves out from under your car during fall, because it's super important, because this actually blocks cooling. You have coolers over there, and you don't want to have any interruption of airflow and having this thing run hotter than it should. But this is a huge problem. So up in New York, when I'm driving this car every day, you can see it's just windy. So all the gardeners in the neighborhoods, they just blow with the gigantic, like, massive leaf blower. It's like a huge machine, and it blows all the leaves into the middle of the street. What happens is it becomes like a monsoon of leaves. You drive through it. That's what happens. And in order to get it out, you're going to pretty much have to go piece by piece with your hands, or show you guys a quick, easy way. Just do it. Look at that. I mean, that's all the way in there, in the front spoiler, in the grill. So we're going to use the vacuum to try to suck it all out, and whatever I can't get out, I'm just going to use an extended reach forceps, just because, like I said, I'm going to wash the car now, and before I wash it, this is something that I'm pretty much doing every week now, and I started using the shop vac to do it, and it's pretty effective. So let's get the video started right now. I'm going to move the car to the other side of the garage, and we're going to try to get all these leaves out in a matter of a couple of minutes using the little Harbor Freight Bauer shop vac with the Centec hose and the wedge attachment, and we're going to see how well the 3 horsepower vac can clean out the front grille of the Giulia. So let's get the video started now. All right, guys, got the vac powered up. Yeah, there's leaves really packed in here. So we got some that went past the plastic. Let me see if I can. Yeah, I got it. All right, guys, so that looks successful. That's the passenger side. So what ends up happening, if you don't get the leaves out and you let it build up, if you shoot it with a pressure washer, it's gonna force all the leaves to get wet and lodged in between this little plastic mesh and the coolers right here, and there's really nowhere for it to go. So it's gonna get trapped, get caked on. Also, now when snow comes, that's also gonna cause another issue of getting all caked on with crud and salt and more debris. So just use a vacuum Do this probably once a week, depending on how it piles up. And you just want to clear out your air intakes all the way around, no matter what kind of car you have. If you have an Alfa Romeo, you have any other car, you definitely want to do that. You don't want to let it build up and then just get lodged in there. It's just going to become a total mess. So use the vacuum to suck the smaller stuff out. Then it's going to suck out the bigger stuff. You kind of grab it with your hands, and this was successfully done in a couple of minutes. So just a quick little short tip for anybody that owns the Giulia Quadrifoglio. Don't let your front grills get clogged with leaves and debris. Just take a couple of minutes and suck everything out, and you'll be good to go. Now I'm just going to set up. I'm going to blow all this stuff out of here just so it doesn't go back into the front grill when I'm washing the car. And I'm going to do a full wash on the Giulia. You can see it here. The wheels are really dirty. You can see it, all that junk in there. So all the stuff, because it like rained for a bunch of days, and when the rain hits, it picks up all these particles of the leaves, and it becomes like static cling all over the car. And you got to do a really good contact wash to get it clean. So thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned for more content. The next video, I'm going to actually do a video paint correcting the roof and the Rosa Etna paint. I'm working on that now. It's just a matter of when I get some time. So if you guys want to see it, definitely stay tuned to the channel. The video's coming soon, and I'll see you guys soon. Take care.